wide awake, about to edit another review. About to watch Nickel Boys. I just finished watching Just One of Them Days. That shit was hilarious. Keke Palmer and SZA were great. Oh my god, I can't stop laughing. Where is the SD card? I'm about to watch Nickel Boys. Didn't I bring an SD card over here? Oh, girl. Anyway, happy Saturday. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:06 a.m.
Oh, it's early in the morning. About to watch Nickel Boys upload this footage, edit. I'm here trying to put it into this, to put it in.
Same different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but
Catch me in the vlog doing regular shit. So I can't vlog.
while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job knows boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone, do not disturb. My boyfriend.
Like party people. I left my camera in the car yesterday. I was not coming back out for it. I'm like, hey, it's a action camera so it can withstand the cold. Anyway, it is a wet Sunday morning, but above ground, so we good, right? We good? Yeah. 39 degrees. Crazy. Oh my god, it's like it's broken. Oh my god. This light is broken. Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, white car. Oh my god. Go. Yo, this is a crazy light to be broken. Tree. Rain all day. It's 1:10, not bad. One more stop, then I am in. Time to Tubi it up, Netflix it up, and chill. I don't like to be out in this weather. Do what I gotta do, and then inside. Because people drive like they have no sense. Girl, she bold. I'm watching Tubi. This one's called You Remind Me. Girl, oh my God, Tubi is hilarious. She is bending down in front of this. Jesus, You Remind Me. Check it out. And she just sitting there taking it. Girl, Tubi is fierce. I finished editing for the night. I'm giving, what am I? This is Fart. What is the name of this again? No, cancel. What is this show I'm giving a chance again? I'm gonna tell you just now.
And protests are already forming across the country.
Yes, I'm sure the internet's doing a fine job.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm here. It's about to type it on the phone. But I started watching it and I was like, hold on, do you want to exit? Say, okay. I was giving a commercial. Paradise. What up, y'all? Happy Monday.
What's the plan? Why are you asking me? You're so eager. You tell me what the plan is.
I'm watching a movie called The Hive on Tubi. It is, is this President's Day? What holiday is it? Yeah, President's Day. Yeah. What is a movie? Extracted. Push what? Rush your loved ones to the limit or push the button. Extracted. Okay, oh, sorry. Anyway, it's popping in. I'm off. Yeah, I'm not going back on site until the 3rd. Yeah, all depending because I hope I don't get chosen. That stupid ass jury duty shit, man. It's crack-a-lacking, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Still on vacation. I go back on site on what is it? Whatever the first Monday is in March. But I'm gonna go by this weekend, check my desk, because I do work from home on Friday. I'm on vacation. I didn't put in for the Friday. I still whatever. All the dedication don't mean shit anyway. Nah, I'm saying I didn't come in for many things. I said, let's see. I'm coming in with a budget of $60. Let's see what we do. I got some things that I wasn't going to get. Like 3 items. Let's see how I do. Everything came up to $70-something. Okay, a little bit, $10 over what I thought it was gonna be. Not bad.